Okay, we did part one, now to part two. And actually, the rest of this is just examples. We're just going to do a couple of examples, and then I'll publish the rest of them as Saul's version. I'll do a couple examples up here just so you kind of get the idea, and then we'll do the rest of them. You can look over them on your own. I'm just going to make this quick. So here's a couple things you need to know. First of all, I want you to look at 5x and 130. Notice right here, those two arrows. That means that those two lines are parallel. So these two are same side interior angles. So that means that 5x plus 130 equals 180 degrees. So I just do some quick algebra. Subtract 130. 5x equals 50. So I divide by 5, so I got x equals 10. There you go, x equals 10. Now, on that same note, I want you to look at it from this perspective. This one has two arrows, and this one has two arrows. Those two lines are parallel. And 130 and 5y plus 5, those two angles are also same side interior angles, so they're going to be supplementary. So I got 5y plus 5 plus 130 equals 180 degrees. 5y plus 135 equals 180 minus 135. I'm just doing some quick algebra here. So 5y equals 45. So divide by 5, y equals 9. Now, in each of these cases so far, you have seen where the angles are supplementary. Well, that's not always going to be the case. It's not always going to be the case. Now, for example, let's look at the next one. Let's look at this one right here. I got 6x and 114. Those two angles are alternate exterior angles. So they're congruent. So that means that 6x equals 114. So basically, I'm going to take 6x equals 114. 114 divided by 6, that means that x equals, it ends up being 19. Now, that's that one. The next one, 2x and 114. Now, I can do a couple different things. Here's one thing I do know. I know that these two angles are supplementary. I also know that 6 times 19 equals 114. So that means that 2y plus 114 equals 180. I could also say that these two are congruent, or these two are supplementary as well. Now, these two right here, they're what's called same side exterior. Now, we don't use that very much, but they are supplementary. Just like same side interior, they're supplementary to each other as well. So I subtract 114, and then 2y equals 66. So y equals 33. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead, and because of time, I'm going to hold off right now. I will solve the next two. I will do them as Saul's version, but I'm not going to do the video. Go ahead and start working on homework quiz 3-2. That is due on Friday. So good luck.